Hello friends, I'm Milind. Welcome to my YouTube channel, English Language Guruji. This is another video of the series of unboxing. As I have promised that I'm going to unbox every product which I purchased online. I prefer Flipkart and Amazon to purchase product, and some product I also purchased from mitra.com. So today this is the product I got from the Flipkart, and it is actually the Peter England belt for men. And today I'm going to unbox it, and I will show you what is the quality of this belt, and I will give you my first impression. So let's get started. So here is my scissor, and with the help of this scissor I'm going to cut down the package. Actually the packaging of Amazon is very good, and you can see that it is a very nice packaging, and the sale is going on, and therefore I got this. Actually the price of this belt is very high, but actually I got this package, this product for just 700 rupees. So I have cut it down, and you can look at this the belt itself, and you can see the belt is also packed well. See, and here is the price quoted on the belt. You can look easily that it is a 1399 rupee, and I got it just for 700 rupee. It means that I got the 15% discount for this big belt at Amazon. And let me open this. Also it is just picked, and if you look at this, there is no branding actually of this. Branding should be there. So let me open it with the help of the scissor. I'm going to open it. Carefully cut it. So you can see that Peter England, be everything you love statement premium belt. So this is the one of the premium belt of Peter England, and here is also branding of look at this branding, Peter England branding. It is not showing in this video, but there is a little bit branding, little bit coated here. You can see here also. Yes, here it is a coated Peter England. And let's look at the, oh my god, the clip is very small. It is pretty small, but okay, no problem. I'm going to adjust with this. It is a very small clip. And look at it. Let me open this. You can easily look at this. So this is the clip, and it is a pretty small. You can look at it. Pretty small. It is looks like it is the belt is for the small children, not for the men. And if you look at the strength also, it is a good belt, but I don't think that it is a very nice belt. If you look at this, remove my scissor. It is a big belt, but actually the clip is pretty small. So okay, that is my first impression of this belt and hands-on. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like the button and kindly subscribe my channel, because I'm uploading such kind of videos every time. And please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon, and also share my videos. Thank you very much.